YouTube channels here, I would like to say I'm not responsible for anything that happened today. And the video, anything. Not responsible for anything. Damages property, the jumper cables we used, whenever we used to get them, we used them on a lawnmower battery. We didn't use them on a car. We used a car to charge the lawnmower battery. And I would also like to say thank you for watching. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. I would like to say thank you for watching all the way through, and remember to like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't like the video, obviously don't like the video. Thank you.